Andrew here, Dr. Detail. We are at the Toronto Truck Show, the biggest heavy trucking event in Canada. We did a lot of the detailing here. We did Western Star all the way down Freightliner. We did International, Peterbilt, Mack Truck, and many others. Come and see us at the 2018 Truck Show, and you'll be amazed. Thank you. Andrew, Dr. Detail. Hey, Andrew here, the 2018 Toronto Truck Show. We're the selected detailers of all the OEMs up here, including DWS and Dumps. They're the big trailer manufacturers. First time out here in the Toronto area. We're going to polish this head, get her all nice, pretty, a little bit of bling. Come and visit us at the Toronto Truck Show as soon as you can, because you're missing out a lot. Big event. See you soon.